this is your house update.
We bought a 110-year-old house in Cape Town, South Africa. And if you think you're gonna buy a centuries-old home and have no issues, you are going to be very disappointed. But that's what we wanted. We wanted a place with charm and character, and that's exactly what we got.
So as you can see, things are happening right now. We have stuff all over the ground, and that is because the last 3 weeks has just been a whirlwind. We've been building things, painting things, taking things off of walls, hiring contractors. It's been crazy. Speaking of which, we have things all over the ground here because we have painters right now and they're painting the entire place. And that has been really cool to see the transformation of how just a little bit of paint can go a long way. I want to show you what the update is and where we are with the house right now. Now, if you saw the last video, one of the things you might notice first is that this wall is now this grayish blue color. When we bought this house, most of it was painted this white color. It was kind of boring, and so we decided to spice things up a bit and add a blue accent wall that goes all the way up the stairs. And it looks so good. And it creates this really nice contrast between all of the white in the rest of the downstairs area. So this just happened a couple days ago. We're really pumped about it. Speaking of painting though, I gotta finish painting something. Okay, so one of the most noticeable changes is the kitchen here. We were painting it this nice earthy green tone, which I think is gonna look really nice. And yesterday I outlined all of the corners because apparently that's the hardest part when it comes to painting a room. I've never painted anything in my entire life. And considering that fact, I think it's going pretty good. If you stick around to the end of the video, I will show you what this looks like once it's complete. Yeah, the whole top of the house is also blue. It doesn't go into the bedrooms, but all of this is blue as well. And it might look like a lot of blue, but we're gonna put art on the walls, we're gonna put plants, we're gonna put all kinds of stuff so it'll balance out the blue. You may have noticed that there's just stuff everywhere in this house. It's on the ground, the beds, it's in the corners, it's outside. There's just junk everywhere. And I have to remind myself that this is a sprint.
They get away first time.
No, it's not a sprint. It's the opposite of a sprint. It's a marathon. It's not a sprint. Okay. I screwed these side planks on upside down. These ribs are supposed to be on top so that the boards can slide into them. Like a dummy. I just thought they laid on top. I didn't know they... The first bed has been built. All right, on to the next one. I'm not gonna show you any of the bedrooms because none of them have really had anything changed. None of them are close to being done. But one room that is kind of close to being done is this bathroom right here. And in the last video, I think I showed you that we were painting this bathroom, and now it's almost done. The walls have been painted. All we have to do is really like hang a mirror, hang this picture, and then it'll pretty much be done. None of the rest of the rooms are even close to being that done, but to have this one give me a glimpse of what the future is gonna look like gives me energy because this room is looking really, really good.
Amongst all the fun moments and good days, it was inevitable that there were gonna be some days where things just, well, didn't go to plan.
Okay, today was a really stressful day, and it's because when you're buying things for the house, there are certain things you get really excited for, and I was really excited for our bed. And we got a king bed, it's right there, it's massive, but we found out that it's so massive, it doesn't fit through this slot, and we can't get the bed from there to up here, which means that the king bed we've already bought, we might have to buy a new bed frame, which would be really stressful, and buy a new bed, which would be really unfortunate because, like I said, I was excited to have a big king bed. So that's my day today, and you know what? It's just all part of the process, right? All right, you can see what the original color was of the kitchen. It was like this peachy color, which I think would have probably clashed horribly with the wood countertop. Yeah, I instantly like that better. So that is the house update. As you can see, there's a lot to do still. We're still right in the thick of it. Hopefully next time we see you, we will have a new bed, we'll have more things painted, more things fixed. Yes, it is a lot of work, but it is very exciting. And at the end of it, we'll have a house that is completely our own, that we have made into what we want it to be. And that's awesome. But that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video. I got stuff to do, things to fix, stuff to buy. I'll see you later.
Oh my God. I love it.
It looks so good.
Wow, it looks amazing. Yo, I love it, Justin. I love it, I love it, I love it. I love you, fridge.
Ow! Bunny bone! Fudge! Ow, that hurt my arm. Oh, that still tingles.